Here is another product I am excited to set up. Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're checking out this dash cam. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing is pretty cool, guys. It's got 3 cameras on the main device that's going to hang. I'm going to put it by my rear view mirror. It's got a screen for displays. It has all the necessary buttons. This one being the most important. This is the one I'm going to press to save my recordings if I nearly hit a deer or if I see an accident or something like that and I want to save it. That's going to be the button that will save that. It's also got your basic menu buttons, up, down, power off, all kinds of stuff. It also comes with a rear view camera. So this is nice for backing up. I'll be able to put this by my license plate, and then when I back up, since it's powered by my reverse lights, whenever I put the car in reverse, this camera will turn on and it'll display it on the screen. So I'll be able to see where I'm going when I back up. It also came with the suction cup mount to hold it and all of the clips to hold the wires. There's a little tool to tuck the wire under the trim pieces, everything I need to install it. So let's get this thing installed. So I went to go install the SD card and I looked and there's already one in there, and that's right next to the power cord and where we're going to plug in our rear view camera. Thing's already pretty cool. As you can see, I got my front facing camera. I got my 2 side cameras that I can face to either get like a little angle out the front window or turn around and see me. But yeah, so that's going to record pretty much anything that happens outside my car, in front of it. And with the rear view camera, whenever I'm backing up, I'll be able to see behind me so that I don't hit something or back over something that's important. Nothing like that. So pretty cool. We'll have to drive around and get some clips. After installing the app, it was really easy to download the video files off of the camera. And the ones that I had saved with the button in the center were in a special folder, so they're really easy to find. It saved all 3 cameras as separate files. It was really easy to determine which file was which because they were labeled L, R, and so on. Now if I were to get in an accident or hit a deer again, I can capture it on video. I definitely approve of this product.